Air conditioning unit is in the shop where you can see it was leaking. We're trying to determine what's going on, where it's leaking from. It looks like it's leaking from the main drain line. It's very high up on the ceiling. We had to use a very high ladder to do this up in the ceiling. So we are going to check out the drainage line, make sure it's all clean. We're actually going to clean it, make sure there's no debris in there. Air conditioning needs service before the summer. Make sure your condenser coils are clean. Great idea to do evaporator cleaning. Change filters every 200 working hours every month. Our phone number is 818-284-9184, 818-284-9184. We fix all appliances.